just couldn't keep and couldn't afford. Well, prove to me I'm not gonna die alone. Unstitch that shit I've sold to close up the hole that tore through my skin. While my trust in you is a dog with a broken leg, tendons too torn to beg. You let me back in. Yeah. You said I can't prove to you you're not gonna die alone, but trust me to take you home, to clean up that blood all over your paws. You can't keep running out, kicking yourself off the bed, kicking yourself in the head, because you're kicking me too.